That tree I just ripped out, I just cannot believe how big of a root system this little, not even 30-foot tree had on it. You guys saw me rip out this huge root here. This is all that's all of 8 foot. Then some of the roots on here, like this one's probably a 10-inch root diameter wise. There's a couple of those on here. I mean, it was pretty well in the ground, and there's still roots straggling all along here, and I've made a little pile over there. Some of the roots I already separated, but good Lord, I just cannot believe. I thought about using the Mini for this, but I wanted to get the 210 out to run around and just kind of get a little use out of it. But yeah, there's still roots right here. They're still well in the ground, so just kind of surprising to see, you know, just how big those roots are just on that little tree. So anyway, now we're gonna saw off the stump and bury that probably right here, and I'm gonna throw that tree on the burning pile. Well, here's the stump in its final resting place, about 8 feet under. We're gonna pull the rest of this dirt back on top. I threw a bunch of roots down in there as well. A lot of you may wonder, you know, why don't you just burn the stump? It's wood, isn't it? Well, yeah, it is. But there's a lot of dirt in there and whatnot. And I'm sure some of you know stumps don't burn worth a darn and a half. They sit there and smolder, and then you'll probably have to wind up burying them anyway. And they hardly burn at all, so that's why we usually bury it. So now I'm going to drag the rest of this dirt back on top of it, smooth it out. Then we're going to throw that tree over onto that burning pile over there. So anyway, here we go. All done, got the tree hauled out. It's sitting over yonder on the burning pile, so we'll probably light that up here within the next couple days. Then I got the hole all filled in and it all smoothed out. I went and got the Mini just because it has a blade on it and finished everything up and whatnot. Got it all pat down and so it looks good. Probably put some grass seed on it here for the next couple weeks, and it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we'll see how this all settles, and it should be just fine because I packed it all down. So anyway, it looks a lot better now. So thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.